Hey guys, I made a pearl ring. I ate mussels for dinner and found this. I googled it and it's a tiny button seed pearl. I wanted to do something with it and decided to turn it into a ring, although I don't really have ring making supplies. I had these two wires. I like the thickness of this one, but went with the other one for the color. I cut my wire at 7 inches. This nail polish cap was about the same size as my ring. I wrapped the wire around the cap. And twisted it. I used pliers to tighten it. I held the center and continued to bend the ends of the wire in a circular motion to form a base. I used the pliers to tighten it. Then used the pliers to curve the wire up, forming a cylinder. Next, I placed my pearl in the cylinder. And tightened it. I made the cylinder smaller at the top so that the pearl wouldn't fall out. Then I wrapped the ends around the ring. I cut the ends. And tightened the wire. And here's how it turned out.